Okay, very dark man, you can zuzu out of my broadcast. Hey, why inji weje? Hey, why inji je delete? Okay, block control block weje delete ye ifago. Okay, off you go. So, hi aso nive batalonda jiwe na agba JPAC ifago because na JPAC is from side ebe ha no po inokwa with them or by force. No onye wanna decide no ya no with them. Hebido confront wonya without minding if onya ahụ meru. Now, tell me one bad thing this particular guy Anakpo Odosiri Umeru that he decided to leave the Omeru Alabuzu Okwase na Onwu, that he went to leave them, that Nifo Fleba Haburi Ife Omele expect. Can you tell me one bad thing Omeru by pointing out at Ifo Joe Matthias in a more like you, since they said that everybody should be open for criticism? Kerife Batara Haji when I put this guy can happen woye. Kerife Batara Haji when I put this guy can happen woye. These are people who cannot live up to their act. They cannot live up to their word. Not even one. Not even one. Nando ka nka. No one you hair against them. They will come after you. Na higher like Tell me what this young man Odosiri has done. Tell me his crime. Ndo Omeru Alabuzu Okwase na Onwu ji abeg ha dowuo. Ono to ego. And so what? No member of Omeru Alabuzu Eziokwu. How many of your members na be worship with you people physically? Let us not even argue whether no a member or no member. Eh? Justin Chijoke. Number more than this page, but if send the other message in our inbox, I can send it to you. I am asking you a question. Let's say this guy I blocked their member. Does he mean na Abuja branch ever had only 8 or 9? Does it mean that not only 9 or 10 members of Omeru Alabuzu Okwase na Onwu? Does it mean na branch ever helu 100? Does it mean no na had all their members hand will Enugu branch helu mmadụ 5? Does it mean no mmadụ 5 awo mmadụ ne hand will? So why are you people saying that, trying everything to justify that this guy abro your member, not just only 1 or twice? So, but majority of members active members mandane wotego no online they follow activities it doesn't even matter whether no a member or not. Slogan on man is God to man. Must somebody be your member before that person will benefit for your message of man is God to man? Unless you make a religion, it is only a religion but I ain't going to know na if you don't practice another religious organization, man, deny here. What is the essence of a member of an Igbo, like only Igbo, and I say no Onyo Menana or no Onyo Menana, or no a member of Omenana, or no a member of Omenana? And a majority by mere fact that na somebody won Igbo qualifies that person to be part of anything Omenana buy. That is it. So tell me one crime this guy has committed. Now this guy batalo funi funu neme ablo ife otobalanya. He decided to go and even up go. He decided to use that avenue to bring out or put out 1 or 2 things. Is it a crime? Is that not what you people have always preached? Now, nobody is willing to take what they are dishing out. You gotta go. Nobody is willing, and he goes. Nobody is willing to take what they are dishing out, and that becomes my problem with people on Facebook. When they tell you, all with their personal Lord and Savior, all of them will come after you. I am asking you. Then some of them with Christians say, they will their favorite pastor. You will see all of them jump out from their closet. nke aha ga na enwe anwa jekata ụka wụrụ a member of ndị ụka wee decide ya na ịchọghọzi ịnọ with them na-etu ka ha yesi wee buru amụma na egwu igwe wee soru. Now this particular guy has come to associate with you people along the line. Often he decided to go. He did not deny the help. After all, is that not what you people appreciate? Message you appreciate. If you need help, go to your fellow man. So he needed help. He came to you people. Are you people helped him? What is the crime of committing? Did he not follow the principle of your teachings? Are you giving that preaching so that you can entice people? Is your gift a way of tying people's destiny to your side? Is that a way of buying people over? Why are you people after this young man? Telephone on this young man every day. On Facebook, I saw one every day. Or take picture of the guy or not that thing. Happen to the guy. That is what you people have always preached. What could have resulted to Governor Eziokwu Ipiki on this guy? Fedime on Facebook. Are you a follower of Matthias? Governor Eziokwu, I'm asking you. Misbehave. You people are misbehaving. You have lost your identity. You need to retrace your steps back. Why are you defending a follower of Matthias that left Matthias group? Are you a member of Omen Abu Eziokwu Nando? Ratel Gang, send their request. Join us here. Kamalo Eza, send their request. Kamalo crime committed against these people. Aside from pointing out Ifo John Matthias name, the same way has a point out Ifo John the pastor name. Tell me the crime you have committed, or are they immune to criticism? Send their request, Ratel Gang. Send their request. Are they immune to criticism? This is the problem I have. When they talk about church, and you try to confront them, they will tell you how Jesus Christ of Gokonwa. Now I put a hammer coca. Imenka. Oyangoma. Talk about Omen Abuzo Eziokwu. When they talk about your pastor, you come out to defend your pastor. Haselo. Talk about Matthias. You see, when you talk about the good work of Christ, when you talk about all of Christ, when you talk about the Eziokwu your pastor, they will come out to criticize. But when you talk about Kulukele operation on Matthias, they will also come out. What makes you different from the people you are criticizing? The same thing. Brother, send the guy request. Okay. To you. The same thing. No difference. Now, don't go on when you can go Nando Kawe. Number one, I have reduced a whole Christianity into Zion ministry. It doesn't matter. They have collapsed a whole Christianity into Zion ministry. So, anywhere a Christian talks, or a Zion member, that is one thing. I go that I don't need to trust the guy. There is nothing like trusting the guy. I don't have any interest, maybe the guy, The guy is also criticizing pastors. He is not only talking about Matthias, he is also addressing the activities of fake pastors. As a matter of fact, that was what brought him to Brekete family. That was what brought him to Matthias. That was what brought him to Governor Eziokwu. If I'm not on that, if I'm not quoting him wrong. So it's not as if the guy gets here not following the pastor. He is criticizing fake pastors as well as he's criticizing Matthias. Yeah? So I don't know the crime that this guy has committed. But you people are doing the same thing. Why are you guys roasting this guy? What is the crime he has committed? Eh? No, and you are getting it all wrong. You are getting it all wrong. Anybody decide to this guy, you should give him money. I don't have any problem with that. I'm not even telling the guy to come and start talking about church or so. gang, he decline the invite. He send the request and accept or decline. No? Is it here the program? Then you come back again. So then you can send me request. You gotta go. My position here, and you go if you can get what I'm saying. Eh? My position here is, why are they after this guy? Because this guy is doing the same thing they are doing. What this guy is doing is exactly what you guys are doing. What you are doing to this guy is exactly what you are accusing of doing to you. So tell me, eh? Tell me. Onye ka ndị sị onye ọ na-ekwu eziokwu na Facebook a, but kele onye wụ the actual person na-ekwu eziokwu, kele onye ji ọfọ, because it seems like the cup mmadụ ji wee measure. Ọ chọrọ ka ewu the same cup wee measure ya. Ebe ọ na-ekwute n'okwu Matthias ọ na-amịa mma mịa egbe. But you want to be talking about other people's pastors, they will leave you. Ebe ọ na-akpọta na Akwa okuko ọ na-amịa mma mịa egbe. But you want to be talking about other people's pastor and their GO. You don't expect them to talk because they are Christians. That is one thing I fail to understand. My interest in this guy, it's not even about his ideology. I don't care. My own is, why are they after this guy? Now, not this guy. Why can they not live up to their words? Why is their words always different from their actions? You want to enjoy monopoly in this Facebook. You cannot do that. Facebook is a community where people can come and air their view. Now I have begun to think that this guy actually know more than Ononeku, and that is why you guys, you have just lost one person. Why can't you allow him to move ahead? Have you seen how it feels to sit down and start talking about an organization? No, you know what? Unu maka Zion. Onye Zion kwuo una amapụta sị ha na ndị Zion organization ndị terror and risk. Is that what you people are calling them? What is different from what Zionites are doing and what you are doing now? I'm asking you. Onye nenecha onwe ya ụgwọ ọpasịa, and that is why I choose to ignore a lot of you and your words, because your words doesn't make any sense to me. Every single thing you are trying to defend is what you are doing. Yes. Man on network now can try to send the invite. Ngwa ezitikwa again ibatakwa. Ezitikwa again ibatakwa. Yes. Ezit again ibatakwa. You got to go? Yeah? I don't understand. The other day, Anunebe TV, Anunebe Nando, Ogechi Okeke, Zion did not invite him. Only problem with the Ayayanando, Nanando Beha. Owolake Beha Zion. Balance for Battle was and Yamaka na Zion. Nde Zion Nabate. He decided to make a testimony. Allow onye testimony. After Ogechi testimony, Zion Church supported him with what they have. He left. Opwa, yes, send the request, of course, the Ratel gang. Opwa, the next thing Okuru, no, why you Nyamachi do not know, no, why you before Jetorondoka, no Jenado Lucia yet. So, whether not this guy or we your member or not your member, whether no this guy is wrong way, whether not or no this guy is wrong way, whether not the most important thing, Muna. Oh, no, why you call the wood? Oh, my good if I don't know Nan Domin desire. Yes. Oh, my good if I don't know Nan Domin desire. Oh, no, money to Aho, who's way defend that Rebenando. Sipane to an agitated the guy. You got to go. Oh, Neka Moba, Susuru Seba Poor, and Mafia. If he fought to know he will I call you Ebe or King will I call. Ebe or King will I call. Manda good, Mande bone you to the bone cave, Mother upon a bed, and I was of me. Actually, then I told you the sharp all. Ewu. The gang, don't worry. You got to go. Now they supported Anune Benando. Anune Benando, was he at any time a member of Zion ministry? He wasn't. He only came to Zion the same way these guys were there. No man abuse Eziokwu, be not help. Any help. Yeah? Any help. So what is the crime he has committed? No Bruno Pusie decide and if for flebuno. No he fought Walanya. una yeti ife ko na yeju do kede rata ga ngo nwe ha another account in nwere ike iji wee bata here. I don't know why this your page. Oh no, nwere another account eji send ya here. Let me tag this your page now here. You gotta go on the adding. I don't know why it's not bringing you in here, but let's hope that it will come in this time. You gotta go. Now they have started African Madone this guy we may post. Waja we go post market. But I have address again. Onyamuma Renji multiple video. Governor Eziokwu emego video. A lot of them emego video market. Happen on the guy yaka. Why are you people doing the same thing you are criticizing? Eh? Why are you people doing the same thing you are criticizing? I thought you said that people are free to air their view or any particular religious group that nobody is under obligation to stay one place. Tell them to use another account. Use another account. Use another account. This your account they go have battle. And you go the maybe in any video, but I am addressing those who made our videos. Yeah? I am addressing those who make good video. Yeah, try another line. Yeah? I don't understand. These are the people who cannot tolerate half of what they are, half of what they are dishing out. Does it even make sense? It doesn't make sense. Yeah? It doesn't make sense. The same thing we need to criticize. Nyakono yademe, shows the kunu neme with impunity. It doesn't work. Yeah? And he gold. That guy will leave what are that guy? No men and abuse Eziokwu. I show me man or member her online before we be no men and abuse Eziokwu. But the guy who send them Potariana that women and abuse Eziokwu, Potariana Brekete family. Nya Ojeri and Governor Eziokwu. So whether or not shall men and abuse Eziokwu and decide is here to be worshiping with them, then along the line of Unife. Never have belief in your only right to move. Also, ego fanyeluye, keji we go destiny. Yes. Are they not supporting JPAC? The governor Eziokwu benefit from Zion ministry. They decided they don't want to be part of Zion. They left. When they left, they started criticizing Zion. They started criticizing their members. Did they not support them? Yes. Did they not support them? Now you see the kind of people you are dealing with on Facebook. Have you seen the kind of people you are dealing with and defending on Facebook? These are guys that cannot live up to the standards they are maintaining. Very deceitful people. Yeah? Very deceitful people. Nnamdi Nwachukwu, Matthias is bigger than your entire generation. He is bigger than your entire generation. Yes. My own family. Nde gori feni no mwelu waja adago hago. He dare not come close. He dare not come close. Mwa dika na banti kana baji. In short, he sike got even na wal. So he can be bigger than you and your generation. He is not bigger than me and my generation. He got to go. He can be bigger than you and your family. He can be bigger than all of you. He got to go. Oti society mo no kana mu. He got to go. If I run on there, ofiru no arrive go. Nwere ndị ebe a webe ha bidoro ebido une nwere sense maka ngoma onye ụka na-eme pụta ise na ndị ụka na-eme. Have you seen? You are the one na-eme onwe onye iberibe. Ị na-eme onwe onye iberibe mana ị mahụ. Ị na-eme onwe onye iberibe. Odo cereal biko send their request again. Na this Odo cereal or the message na Odo cereal ka mana ma isi na ekpo batari. Okay. They couldn't add guest. Even me. Can I try Rafael Gang? Let us try Rafael Gang. They cannot take half of what they are giving out. Look at the people who now got everywhere in the comment section, man. Video on them, they get threatened on them, man. Eh? Come melu Nnamdi Nwachukwu iwu mpama if you only monetize the page, if you only monetize the page, Matthias did not monetize his page. If you only monetize the page, so page in and watch him to monetize page. Oh God, either another comment here again, I'll block you. Drop another comment here again. I'm block one immediately. He said Zuzu poor. Zuzu and go to your Matthias page. Go there. You know, Sogalisi. Oh yeah. Zuzu out immediately. Mpama. Just Sogalisi eba. Oh no. Group of bandits. Ndohi. Yeah, Okarisia Wanye. Facebook has been having issues for some days now. Yes, even view reduced. I noticed. Yeah, I noticed. Which kind of people is this? Approach I use not okay. How can they even take quarter of what they go about everywhere in comment section threatening people? When you bring the matter up on Facebook, go to Hanino online, their media warriors will come and defend those people who perpetrate those acts. But just the other day, Kamadukula about Matthias, the Hanchani master from Ebehano. Yeah? They ran a program for almost 3 hours to 4 hours addressing the issue because Matthias' life is bigger than the entire life of Ndibo. Okay, someone, you are welcome.
Good na Facebook, man. I'm live. They kick him out to report down in him.
Facebook, so these days, I don't know why.
And the report down in him, no be small thing. They've been trying to disturb some. Okay, what don't kill me, my brother? Can't kill me. Remember when you used to follow me back in the days, right?
Yes.
But you follow me now vibrate like this. You know, guys, you can't do mad with the hand. They are born on the comments, commenting. Didn't you want you? I put on my position. Hey man, I ain't on the other side. Oh yeah, na George until you me pay Facebook. Maybe the road about program meet here all this so much. Everything they dish out, they cannot take it home. You see, everything these people are dishing out, they can never take it.
Imagine and Yogi. One of Serena Nando about a half a pass for her. Evangelist Ebukobi. Hey, you don't vibrate. Man, I papa Matthias vibrate. Isn't that something? When you talk about church, you do the bomb Banasawo. Man, I go my comment and put Eziokwu on walk. Neighbor Jesus. Why the higher allow Jesus? Because Jesus is beyond all. Man, I go our ancestors. It what talk. Here happened the one to have no long home. When they know, then I am Dioge. And Rebenando, Jarana Zion, or a member of Zion Church, or they are calling the Zion to province where Zion assist here, or what? Be the another thing about Zion. The same thing with J-Park and governor Eziokwu. J-Park and governor but an Zion ministry. They are made good Zion, make prove here, never even Hamisha poor, cut of Zion, a G Kwoku, on Pasta, when a good movie, one mother Yano with you people. Look at this same guy and a Boratel gang, Odo Serio. This same guy will problem. But when they don't know Abuja Eziokwu, Abuja, Unure area go Unure 100 and something thousand, yeah. Uneje we watch destiny the guy pourquoi the president makifo jo offer Matthias na ebe unu regroup where run where program unu don we so does it mean na ife ahụ unu na akụrụ J-Park na governor Eziokwu aka na ha mere na ife ahụ unu na akụrụ anụnụ ebe na ndaka na ha mere olu na nke unu eteki muhe unu eteki muhe
even as convict pụtara bịa na support about you want to go now because honest na the other end of the story. You want to go now? Yeah, be na body. Now ni him ga that guy ya me page to wa ha tiki.
No, I will page here but there are tell gang.
Yeah, me page to what that's nda me I want me ha too. You see all these people. Nda more stars. The only thing they get more stars we and dog and the mama. So anywhere they come, you follow them. Hana like a challenge. They hate challenge. And Anna talk a Hana make intimidate to you know, that you're not supposed to talk. They're supposed to be the one over talking you. What I go? So I can understand their predicament. What I heard your potential get him and I go get to share yes or more. Maybe you know. Because you know why? All these people that are coming out now to support one nigga work on you, they were not there when we started. They were not there when this your brother from they're not going to defend dog one. What I go? So them coming out, they're not supporting him because they want to support. They are supporting him because you know. So before here go no pioma, I can boost or don't go diha. What I go? Don't have woto. So next time before you collect money, that money be good that collect get sharp. Yeah. So all y'all with the thing, all these things they will. Here Mary, Onya will become the victim. Now, no, they become the victim. But I don't know how to put it. They become the victim. When you're why would you do it? While they are the architect of all this problem. You want to go? Ibrahim, like Okon Gutibiana, but I be video. Pariwa Ebukobi, right? Because of Guinea, J Park the dinner. Imagine Okon Gutibia, Onya go Kubuge for 200,000 every month to come with reject the money. Hey.
Yes, Rappel gang, don't worry, Mma won't be looking at WhatsApp.
You want to go? Okon go reject the money. Okon go go infection and bona the one onye Jesus. Okon go come on 50,000 or 20,000 Oja Gazro Bibu. God boy Henari. Came to the 200 and something thousand. Now can I'm waja where's the boy again. Because I got my doya because waja to kere hello, who is that? Waja ato kere ziere onye Jesus ego. Waja jiri J Park go ga rescue Okon Gutibia waja I claimed that onye Okon Gutibia 1 million. Waja accepted Okon Ghana. Gini mezili onye Jesus Okon Gutibia do ishi no one guy putara ime and I get metacha effect for releasing this story. Waja to him join the hand kazo onye Jesus akwena gini mana Eziokwu akagbara ya so now Okon Gutibia waja and J Park ga puta do gwa ihe mere onye Jesus they know about it. They know these people are working to amu and ekuya. Waja if you can cover to 1 million you know Okon Gutibia Ogurunde Dibia wayo unu ha plan ya nini mekwara igejishi people the question here is keza ha ego this guy onye say Jesus I say no Okon Gutibia eri ego dem matter mejo ho mmadu I come now why is it that you're campaigning against raising money for onye Jesus while Okon Gutibia potarane wo ayaya mando tagaya tabu wo ya destroy yaya nazi get J Park nwanga ki onu na ga ko na idea how is it that agere zilo onye Jesus ego na lie yo you guys ga bagwa any mere onye Jesus na so the matter they start again oh na so the matter they start again J Pipe all these people in the J Pipe you promise us na ga bia mo na get leak agi on evidence that is number one evidence so I'm not going to leave that one no. So on you for your brother Ezugo my problem with him is not ending anytime soon. Nobody should come in. Okay, let it look to the end. Also, from China. So, our number one evidence not emo to the number one evidence not emo to the so what I need to encourage your friend. Man, this boy in a baby all the time. Kehegina name. Kehegina J Park name. Why would J-Pack be sleeping in your house? J-Pack, get him in a hotel, my other Ghana. Why would J-Pack be sleeping in your house? J-Pack and Odia. Now, the first person who put up Aporo, no Naponike will come with it. The second person Aporo with J-Pack. What about the Kagan and Dan and a home again? Why are they sleeping? Okay, I'll go to my page. I'll go to my page, no problem. Because you know why? That I can see that Waja is working with this guy, Okongu. Waja is working with J-Pack. And the Waja don't want to come and say something about. I know go talk because you know how was more.
I told you do how Waja do.
Akuko.
How Waja. So, I don't get this guy Odo Serial. This guy Odo Serial. Forward to Gasele mo voice note to Gase. Conversation between Yana Governor Eziokwu. And according to him, also Governor Eziokwu made a live program today. And Governor Wakuru that no, you make it the guy to disappear. So according to the guy now panic. Make don't come go bata yeba man or bata so. I'm not like it can pour the guy.
The guy send Jaranum detain na. Ya send Jaram detain na. Oh my God! I don't know why this. The guy in a panic in a guinea money. Hey, send Jaram detain. With the one problem underground. Anyway, come respect Eziokwu. Yeah, platform Eziokwu.
Serial.
Sir?
I make it don't me take a more battle, man. The network equal above battle.
Facebook no issue. I have tried everything. It's not working.
Okay. Ndị na-ebe a, ụna na n'ife ọ na-ekwu. Ọgwụ na n'ife ọ na-ekwu lada, Auntie Oge.
Yes.
Okay. Serial.
Sir.
First of all, achọrọ nke ịkọ Etugu na ndị asị wee jee from ntụ isi wee si from Benue State gbadata Abuja. Ife kpojelu na chọọchị Matthias and ife transpired. But first of all, may a brief. All na ikwucha ya who encounter go na Governor Eziokwu before you tell us what happened na program o mee tata.
Good.
Good evening, Nigerians. My name is Odosri, and I've done I'm a Governor Eziokwu before this 2022. I'm a Governor Eziokwu, and the issue between Muna Matthias Eziokwu. So you check my post, check that particular from 2021 to 2022. I am now one of those who video with Matthias Eziokwu on social media. Though before them, I meet to be one-on-one. I meet one-on-one now, but I'm not Matthias. I'm on social media since 2021. Then when I Governor Eziokwu since 2022. Fast forward to what transpired at the MBJ Abuja. Hello? Okay. Abuja be issue with a particular pastor now, my now ex-wife. Because I divorced me officially. So we are here going to Abuja. One of the man be the way we should, and then he sent some people to buy me. All the man that I have, but unfortunately I escaped, and we tried settling the issue at Benue State for work, so I have to go to Abuja as the family. And it was then, the Light of Africa contacted me that Matthias in Abuja that I should meet him, which I did. And after I met him, I was to also come down meet Newe. The first meet Newe in Abuja, I was the first set because I was almost residing in Abuja because of the issue.
Yes.
And before then, Governor Eziokwu was going to my ex-wife, the live video. While my ex-wife questioned, yes, the woman are contrary. You know what? Obanezo passes from na phone. Oro one the person akere the medicine kaya gwa mo ko na this woman bole chori igbu na the woman ma many things naga and chori gwa me joke. Oh, Obanezo na gwa me so we I think that now I work together with that pastor to frustrate my case for the family. In fact, they are not for ordinary people to correct the child or overwork on my case. Yeah, the name that they will case in the canon court. He came with JFA in Abuja, to protest that day. They were not allowed to go into the court room. So I can tell him that thank God this year I see only a call with back on my case. But at the end of the day, he helped me with my case. I am the one that want to do it because I find out I have my ex-wife Androcha.
Yes.
That was what transpired between Governezo Kudena or you music I the only little problem. So Matthias, you went to Matthias, go there privacy here that this issue of confronting Galidamua, we get that one not speaking on my own. Even the case my wife is not because of other people, their life in danger, not that factor. That is why I did everything possible to make sure I expose the part of them. And now I'm not like Eziokwu and Matthias go to the platform. That he confronts Madi in camera. Jekuru Madi that church. That no one don't comfortable with it. That you can put down fighting people. I'm not the first person in the first place. We have the open problem. Before we just after bad drugs and we Matthias wait. One of course promotion and need, one of course problem and need. And this is what I would say. When I
Harris Nego Mbari na their branch in Abuja, right?
Yes, Matthias gave me 10,000. My brother from Enugu City, the junior brother to the debt gave me 40,000. Then 3 other people raised 15,000, 17,000, making 67,000 naira. People told me, you man,
Okay. The point is that they raised 67,000 for you, right?
Yes.
Yes. It doesn't matter, Shelu. It doesn't matter how they raise the money individually. The most important thing is that they raised the money for you when you went to them. And another point in water from you is that you have been following Matthias since 2021, right?
Go and check my Facebook page.
Thank you. Then for just like even Kowala and Gold, because now Anyi Gold, Agwam Anyi Gold. Now I am not coming into this case because I am coming into it Makana, maybe because Anyi Gold to say now the guy may betray us. I should remember Aya Yanando. Instead that I told Anyi Gold that no matter the background of what brought this guy to Brekete family and the Matthias, you could see that no problem with a pastor. So I am not interested in anything too personal about this guy, but what I am so much interested in here is Kerife result to Nde Omenana Buze Eziokwu and the governor Eziokwu ha. It does that drag around on social media. Or any other thing email ha John apart from the fact na-esere na-efolo na ife a na-ekwu ahụzi ife a na-eme decide ya ka ị pụọ and they pụọ pụwa ife ahụ efolo onwere another crime they committed against them aside this.
Another crime we committed and you can't make it now get the coding journal my house day my life no good na danger. Governezo me video after Matthias send it that send Governezo me video na claim because when I had because if you want to make in work and Azaka, I don't want to go na so after Matthias finished that video, Governezo went live about 4 days ago, made one live, accusing me wrongly, accusing me forcefully that Namu Syria, Nakam cause support for my case. I want to put it in straight. Can Nigeria now know in case of my voice? ebe gọvanọ Eziokwu chọrọ ihe.
Chere na nọọsịrị na ngọnwa bịakwutere ya ka ọ sọpọtụ all your case.
Then can I put the past ego? And I asked him to provide the evidence because
But I want to ask.
That governor he's a criminal.
Mana Antioge, if a consign if this guy in a maka Matthias now and before na kuna ba no barrier ka support whatever person ya na enwere okwu ego. What does it have to do with what this guy is doing on Facebook? Now,
that guy he's a liar. He that guy now. That is how they lied against him. These people are demons.
Because Governor Eziokwu after my life as I'm talking now. Voice notes, you have me for mom can miss what ever said for the he's threatening me seriously on the mercy, and I called him ex-convict because of fear and I assume I'm will tell evidence about what for the ex-convict first. During one of the election, can anybody know
the ex-convict? Nah, this guy not trouble. Trouble. Now me call an ex-convict. That's who he is.
That is why he wants to arrest me. So I'm making official report.
Also, do not arrest you or no, you make you disappear. Hello.
Ezugo.
Hello.
Hello.
After him, also no, arrest you or no, you make you disappear.
These people.
That we right here, nobody between me.
That he will hide you where nobody will see you.
Nobody will see my leg. That if he doesn't deal with me, he will die. If I'm putting his in now. That if he didn't deal with me, I got one.
When you feel very personally, apart from tell my brother, apart from calling out Matthias, did you call his name?
He called me. First called me out, and I watched his life.
Yeah, I know. Look. That is what I am asking you. Before he called you out, did you call him first, aside from calling Matthias? So what is the connection between him and Matthias that you are calling out?
He's just hiding Matthias. That is all I see in him.
Okay, for that.
For how long I had to only for me to come online, I see him. Me, somebody tagged me because of block on na Facebook because I stand on the phone now. He blocked me on Facebook. So somebody now called my attention that Governor is talking about me. I have to go use another Facebook account to check him. And I listened to what he said and I was like, take a man to Marty. When I have to respond to him and send the video to him on WhatsApp so that I know he cannot see my Facebook profile. Are you getting it now?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Because you came and used this boy video made a confession. What about Matthias? Now he picked up. I watched that his stupid video that day. Because you used that video to tell them that Matthias won your shit. That Matthias is lying. That I heard you. This boy did not do anything to him.
Oh, when you're not a one, that's a community can Nigeria
Antonio na-ekwu ka ọka nyanwa gawa n'iru. Chelu ka ndị oge kwucha ka iwe gawa n'iru.
These people are dictators. They will subdue you. They will torment. I'm not coming to Nigeria because I'm Nigerian. I'm coming to Nigeria for many reasons. I'm more rugged than this very dark man. This suppression and people like this. This tormenting, like you cannot make it disappear. You not see them. Threatening people for no reason. These are the things I was saying. Now, I'm sorry, man. I have you what I can say, I submit it to this boy. To this boy now. A petition against this guy that he's not capable to handle any office in Nigeria. He cannot even deal with emotion. He wants to subdue everybody. He comments here, he threatens again. He make up, he threatens again. All these things has to stop. We need to start somewhere and put an end to this monster. Have you ever seen him conduct his program? Can this kind of temper uphold any peace? Okay, Buki, because you open mouth to speak. These are the things. You put hands together and find a great how we can subdue people like this. Because without it, all these people get one problem. I pack here one side. If you speak, I can make it. I will tell you, this is all he does. Pride. You want to subdue, you're not supposed to talk, you want your own opinion. Who the fuck are you? If you guys don't start something, people like this, when I go work this blue apple, and the worst part here go get them in Nigeria. You guys will not be able to speak your mind. Okay. Well, let the boy continue.
Network on America connecting.
Hello?
Okay, serious.
I will hear again, and I want to debunk it, and I want you to bring it.
Yeah. Network so now intimidation on that and okay. The Makonanda way me higher power. Oh my god, no swim with on. Okay, go back at network
recharge card and that I will still disappoint them. I know you are about me. Because I'm a man of myself and my integrity is paramount to me. I don't say things because
serious. Half an ando can you go? You were put up to one Matthias.
Governor is live video.
Apart from Ijo, Wabuzo we post to video, if I'm not mistaken. Before Muma post to you, before post to video, Mona go discuss go before. So what it means, Shelu, what it means is that because I'm a non-move post to video, anya hani ne weta pota. Before I'm post to your face video post to. Mona go discuss. Mwe post to your face video. Can you feed then your page, Makam?
Thank you, please.
If you need a name to go. Afford that post. Yes. Yes. If you need Shelu, if you need a name 24 hours to pull down that video. Why made you post a video? Maya acknowledge you.
without acknowledging me.
I did not even see it until okay, I did not see it. Or either an eme or somebody. Jetag Yameba.
You are very correct.
Mwege.
I decided to meet the Makasina of the Makasina and go post to
that thing. I think I had threatened to that warning.
Mba honya nyanwa filu na yi post rie na ya acknowledge ye. So oge mwa post siri. Yes. And the mama for that video na odo serial. Amodo no ho odo serial the real Facebook page here. So after umfata that thing make the next video here. Just tag ya odo serial na comment section. So nyanwa we je ba we sim no hold to say hold the main page and at the main page here Rappel gang. The Rappel gang.
I would the very dark man. Yeah, you want a very dark man now. Dark man.
So now it was after I saw the videos flying around. Ndomena na buze Eziokwu mewetie nalo. Can't you wait? Basie the guy. Nya inbox all number.
But him. I want to get your brother. Eziokwu. Bwana ya kwa wera te gangi ya jem na nke very dark man na.
Dark man, the guy is too busy. I won't need connection here for now. That guy is just
like very easy to relate to him. You can contact this. What is this? My brother. This is Ebony. This is my brother. Zeus. You can tell to Zeus. Zeus will contact him. Zeus to them, you contact him direct through Zeus. You know, you can reach out to him through Zeus. So, I have the thing.
Because upon me warrant all these threats. What could warrant all these threats? Does it mean that this guy doesn't have also kwenya wona ndomena na buze Eziokwu raise 10 million? You know that go? Does it mean he doesn't have any right to walk away?
Come on, 60,000.
What of J Park ha enyelu ego yet they walked away coming back they were supporting them.
Thank you.
Yeah. Now you see they cannot even take water of what they dish out.
What they
because the guy in Andrew can you make go no why you walk you come near the put talk more of you go.
Mana the guy in a cotton and the pastor name na aru no job now. The guy in a cotton and the pastor.
Because I was a victim. ENG began my activism because I was a victim and I decided that I would use my platform to fight.
Mistake you know man. One pastor may go offend. Now I cut away every pastor. One pastor may go offend. Now you start cutting every pastor. You know? One mistake you
I'm joking. If you check my post, send me video like an apology video today because of this. Well,
you don't start the or like apology if you like, see what I'm saying. But when you are busy, now criticize the pastor because one pastor commits the crime. That means everybody now to go dance.
And the Rappel gang, if I were another mistake, a lot of people name and don't know if I know new one year. I want a man to make it for a job. But when you make it, don't generalize it. I watch a video today.
You deal with that. Okay, pastor but I am a Christian. I will not fight for you. I will not fight for you. Again. For me, no. Pastor yet the reason why I'm talking this is the threat that idiot or ex-convict because of
I'm joking, I know Igbo. But on Facebook.
That walking out new Majakanike and I bought on your sugar. Oh, yeah, madam, put one. And the person in we are problem. What you condemn more person in yet to domina like I am aware. As you don't even know why you can do this thing. Because one pastor majority you generalize everybody. That all wrong. All wrong.
You are correct. You are correct. You are correct, my sister.
Go and deal with them. I will know when I leave. So deal with it. Deal with it. Because to these people, they will hang who don't be mad. Nda kwa musuo. E wona ha so mage, ye bu hebu hu na ge ha ga hapoge. E wota go. So ha buru ma ya buru egbe. Ha buru egbe ya buru onyike. Ya buru onyike ya buru shovel. Ya buru shovel. I'm not here talking about. But that is it. That is it.
I don't give you mother in power.
I my head to rub it.
Before I'm there, maybe actually.
This boy is so one your war. When about on your war, Matthias. I want to tell him the boy now. Oh, the bomb war. Matthias war.
Yes. Well, about you,
so Ezugo Hana ya no where there. Wepo on na this one. Hana we have we under the panel do. Hana ha kwata ya. Are we any? Let me tell you, you are mutual in something. You don't have any attached to these people. Onya kona mporo, gia deceive or natural member. One day person one day. So you have to have because these people are nda wamusu. Nde we kwa conscience. So nde we kwa conscience. Akwa meje make mo. Ha tu ha gide kwa no ha. Onya la buzo gide onwe.
Echedo na ha sịrị na ndị ụka na-ebihave ka ndị terror and risk organization na ndị ụka na ha na-ebihave ka ndị nọ na court that na ikwu ha anything against them ha achụ kiti what is happening